Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, I'm gonna share with you the one thing that you must have if you want to make some real money online. All right, now there is no secret that there's tons of ways to make money online these days. Things like selling on eBay, drop shipping, being a YouTuber, there's affiliate marketing, there's network marketing, there's being a freelancer, and the list goes on and on and on. But one thing that is in common with all of these things to be successful, you have to have a strong work ethic. All right, you gotta have it, because if you don't have it, any of these things that I just named and any other way that you can make money online, you're not gonna make it happen without a strong work ethic. All right, I give you an example. One company that I always talk about that I'm involved with, super dope, is called Live Good. Right now, Live Good is, in my opinion, the ultimate online business side hustle. All right, it's easy to promote. They got great products, cool compensation plan, all of that good stuff. And with all that being said, to be successful with Live Good, right? For me to be successful, for you to be successful, is going to take some work ethic, right? And if you don't have that, as cool as the opportunity is, you're not going to be successful with it. All right. So I'm making this video to really motivate people, because like most people, when they try to go online to make money, they usually doing something else, whether they work in a full-time job, whether they work in a part-time job, they might be a college student or whatever. So they only have a limited amount of time, right? They can only put so much effort in to make money online. And a lot of people, they don't put in that effort, the effort that they need to be successful with making money online. And that just comes from having a strong work ethic. Are you the type of person that can work an 8-hour shift and still fit at least an hour or two every day to work on your online money making goals, no matter what they are? Like I said, this applies to anything. If you're in affiliate marketing, network marketing, being a YouTuber, any of these things, can you make time? Are you disciplined enough to know, hey, I'm going to get up an hour earlier in the morning, or I'm gonna stay up an extra hour at night to work on my goals? Are you that type of person? And if you are that type of person, you better believe that you will get some results. You will, because it's just a matter of time. If you put that effort in, you're gonna get something back out of it. You're gonna get something positive out of it, because as long as you're putting in effort and you're consistent, and you're making the appropriate tweaks, you know what I'm saying? Like maybe you got to adjust your marketing a little bit here or there or whatever, you're going to get results. But do you have it in you, right, to really put that work in to achieve your financial goals? Because in most cases, let's be honest, you watching this video, you know, like you don't want to work a 9-to-5 no more. Like you tired of it, right? You don't want to work that part-time job no more. You're tired of it, right? But can you muster up, you know what I'm saying, that energy, that willpower, build that discipline to be able to build something that could ultimately change your life, ultimately get you away from the 9-to-5 if that's what you're trying to do? Do you have it in you to still do what you got to do and have the discipline to be successful in what you want to do? You know what I mean? So if you have it already, if you had that work ethic already, you're good to go. You are on the right damn path. So just know, whatever it is you're trying to do, you can make money with it. Do not let nobody tell you like, oh, that's impossible. You know what I'm saying? To make money, or no, that's not gonna work. Because everything most likely you trying to do, there's somebody who making a ton of money doing that thing, and you got to tell yourself, if they could do it, why can't I? So a few minutes ago, I told you about an opportunity that I'm currently involved with, which is Live Good. And I am super excited to be a part of this business and grow with this business. So if you want to check it out for yourself, all you need to do is click the first link in the description and take the 5-minute Live Good tour. And hopefully I will see you on the team.